I just saw a really wholesome and positive AI trend where you create a realistic looking picture of you hugging your younger self. And this really resonated with me. I'm a creative director and visual artist, and I use AI to explore identity and healing and really explore our relationship with technology and how it can help us get a better understanding of who we are. So, I want to show you guys how to do the trend, what prompts to use, and how to make it a little bit more personalized to you, and also why this trend has been such an emotional and positive experience for those who are participating. So simply grab an old photo of yourself, take a new one, or grab a recent one. Then go to gemini.google.com and upload both of those photos with the prompt that is on the screen. Feel free to pause and take a screenshot. What you'll get is a new generated image with this kind of silk background, and it might surprise you with how realistic it looks. I tried a couple variations with other images, and the result that I got here on the screen got me really emotional because it felt like I could really see the hug that I really needed as a kid. And so I tweaked the prompt so it could look like I was really in that garden with her. And I thought this trend really stood out as a signal to kind of where we are right now. A lot of people are going through healing. A lot of people are starting to be intentional about understanding themselves, understanding their attachment wounds. So I'm curious to hear what you guys think about the trend. Have you done it? Did you feel any kind of emotional experience? If you're anti AI, totally respect your opinion, but please be respectful in the comments. And yeah, I'd love to see what you guys create.